In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for task management. We're going to walk through a simple, practical way to set up a new board so you can start tracking your work clearly and efficiently. By the end, you'll have a basic project and task board ready to go, and you'll understand the logic behind each action, not just where to click. First, log into your Monday.com account and look toward the left-hand side or the top navigation bar, depending on your layout. You'll see a plus or add icon. This is where you begin when you want to create something new, like a board, a workspace, or a document. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. Think of this as opening the door to create a fresh space dedicated to your tasks. After you click the plus icon, a small menu will appear with different options. From this menu, choose New Board. A board in Monday.com is basically a customizable table where you'll list your projects, tasks, deadlines, and owners. It becomes a central hub for everything related to that workflow. Clicking New Board tells Monday.com that you want to create a new hub just for the work you're about to organize. Once you select New Board, you'll usually see some templates or categories you can start from. To keep things simple and focused on task management, look for the option that says Track Projects and Tasks. This template is designed specifically for organizing work items, assigning them, and following their progress. Click on Track Projects and Tasks. Using this template saves time because it comes with common columns like task name, status, due date, and owner, which are exactly what you need for basic task management. Before finishing, you'll often have the chance to give your board a name and choose who can see it. It's a good idea to pick a clear, descriptive name, like marketing tasks or website redesign, so you and your team can quickly recognize what lives there. You can adjust permissions later if needed, so don't worry about making everything perfect right now. Finally, when you're happy with the basic setup, click on Create Board. This confirms your choices and generates your new task management board based on the Track Projects and Tasks template. Once it loads, you'll see sample groups and rows that you can rename, delete, or replace with your own real tasks. From here, you're ready to start adding tasks, assigning owners, and updating statuses so you can manage your work more clearly inside Monday.com.